Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the project Auth0. I would like to show you what I found researching about this project, and we can see all the potential it has. Remember that Auth0 can be bought at KuCoin Exchange. In the description, you will find the link. Using this link, you get a 10% discount on all trading fees. First of all, what is Auth0? Auth0 is a blockchain that was born in 2018 to solve the trilemma of current blockchains: security, scalability, and decentralization. Since 2018, the team has worked very hard. They first released a test net, and the first version of Auth0 mainnet went live on November 2021. Auth0 brings to the ecosystem security, scalability, decentralization, privacy, speed, and very low costs. Imagine all that can be done in the ecosystem of this blockchain. Now, let's look a little at the characteristics of the protocol. In scalability, Auth0 has the ability to run 100,000 transactions per second in a fully decentralized system, and it offers nearly free transfer of value transactions. The core of Auth0 is a new algorithm built using the technology of a directed acyclic graph to create an efficient and decentralized system. This will be the beginning of a brighter future for all companies looking for large amounts of data exchange and fast confirmations. The current implementation of Auth0 is built on Rust and allows integration with Substrate from Parity. Remember that Substrate is the language in which Polkadot is built. Rust is a multi-paradigm programming language, very similar to C++. Solana is also built with this language. Auth0 is a super improved version of Solana. It's like a Solana reloaded, and now let's take a look at the ecosystem. The Auth0 ecosystem allows decentralized file storage using the Interplanetary File System. This is a distributed storage system that allows direct interaction through a secure global peer-to-peer network. Auth0 allows the development of the scalable and self-executing smart contracts. Common is the most secure multi-chain decentralized exchange in the industry and promises to be one of the cheapest and easiest to use on the market. The platform will present a first-class interface and user experience. Thanks to Auth0's native bridges and upcoming privacy features, Common will allow cross-blockchain transactions to be completely private. It is open source, which will allow you to suggest changes to the code. Common will not use to be a decentralized exchange. It will also come with a wallet to store the digital assets. Liminal. It is a multi-chain layer that offers additional security and privacy measures in the network. At the same time, it serves as a portal for other blockchains transactions between platforms with bridges to Auth0 such as Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, Kusama, Near, and Binance Smart Chain, among others, will be supported. Auth0 uses the Auth BFT consensus protocol. BFT stands for Byzantine Fault Tolerance, which allows the system to continue to function properly as long as 2/3 of the network agrees or reaches a consensus. Auth0 allows you to create an entire ecosystem. Let's look at the use cases. Internet of Things, smart contracts. In supply chain management, it can be implemented to generate assets for virtual games. Decentralized domains. Using Auth0, you can create a wallet fully universal and decentralized exchanges. Allows digitization of assets, notarial signatures, transparent access to public documents, automatic payment of taxes, and databases can be managed. The project has the Auth0 Foundation. They offer an incubator to share experience and knowledge with new entrepreneurs who want to develop their own decentralized applications. The team working on Auth0 keeps getting bigger and bigger. It currently has more than 40 people who contribute to the development and adoption of the network. The founders are Matthew Niemer, earned a PhD in mathematics in the area of applied algebraic geometry from Colorado State University in 2014. Matthew has held world-renowned postdoctoral positions in Korea, China, Canada, and the US. Anthony Zolciak, technology marketer with 10 years of professional experience involved in various public relations and content creation projects for Samsung, Sony, Olympus, and Nikon. Adam Gagel wrote a PhD dissertation in mathematics in the area of combinatorics at Maria Curie Skłodowska University in Lublin, Poland. He has been working for many years as a freelance consulting in the areas of mathematical modeling and machine learning. Mitchell Switek received PhD in pure mathematics for his work in the field of infinite-dimensional geometry of Banach spaces, and a Bachelor of Computer Science both at Jagiellonian University in Krakow. The website is very well worked, very professional. They are in practically all social networks. Twitter currently has more than 100,000 followers approximately and continues to increase, and has a very active community. Something fundamental in a project is the audit. This also generates a lot of peace of mind for investors. The Auth0 protocol was audited by the company Trail of Bits. On the website, you can download the PDF with the full report. Here we can see the partners and investors, and we can visit the websites in case we want to know a little more about them. And finally, we are going to look at the tokenomics. The utility token is the A0. 300 million tokens were generated in the Genesis block. At the time of recording this video, the Auth0 token is priced at 0.9 cents. With this token, you can make staking in the mainnet. Auth0 token can be bought on KuCoin Exchange. In the description of this video, you will find the link to get 10% discount on all trading fees. As a final conclusion, I see a solid project with a committed work team. If they continue like this project will have a great future. Well, my friends, that's all for this video. I hope you really like this information about Auth0, and it has allowed you to understand the fundamental concepts of this project. These videos are for educational purposes and are not financial advice. Thanks so much for the support. And don't forget subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.